Have you ever had your side lighting suddenly stop working? Are you dissatisfied with the quality of your side runners? Don't settle for less when you can have the best. We're here to help. There are imitators producing inferior side lighting products. Since we are the innovators of side lighting, it's only right that we offer a solution. We have launched our buyback program, so imitations of side lighting will be a thing of the past. Our imitators may make products that look like HG2, but the fact is they just can't compare. While HG2 lights are American-made, SAE certified, and resistant to the elements such as heat, salt, snow, and water, our imitators can't say the same. We are willing to take all brands, including wannabes, knockoffs, deceivers, and imitators. Call them what you want, we'll take those inferior products off your hands and give you a new set of HG2 side runners for a discounted price. Our HG2 buyback program is also designed to help those customers who may have out-of-warranty HG2 products. We strive to keep our clients happy with our products for years to come. Participating in the program is simple and smart. First step, fill out the RMA form through the link below and upload a recent photo of the product. Second, once approved, ship us your qualifying inferior products. And finally, receive our superior HG2 runners at a discounted price. Simple as that. Once again, you can check the link below for the HG2 buyback program. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe. This is Mary with HG2, made to shine and protect. Until next time.